Hey, have you heard about the Cicada 3301 puzzles? Yeah, those creepy internet codes that no one can fully explain? Exactly. People say it's a recruitment for some secret society or hacker group. I heard some who solved it disappeared or went off the grid. Right? Some winners just vanished without a trace. Makes me wonder if it's just a game or something darker. I looked into one of the clues. It led to a real-world location. No way, where? A library in Poland. But when someone went to check, the book they were told to find wasn't there. Classic mystery. Like the internet is playing hide and seek with us. Honestly, I'm half tempted to try solving the next puzzle if it ever shows up. Just don't disappear, okay? I need my partner in crime. Promise. But if I do, leave a note here for me.